This is RV Resort Living with Pete Sutton, and I'm at Outdoor Resort Indio. I'm going to take you around right now and show you how the resort has been going through some improvements, getting ready for the new season. Let's go take a look. As you know, we've been following the steam room renovation for a while, and I am in the hallway where the sauna and the steam room are. As you can see, they're doing a lot more right now than just the steam room. They're adding paint to the doors and walls, and they are almost done. I'm hoping here in next week or so I'll be able to show a video where this is complete. Last time we were here, some of these lights weren't in place. This is looking good. All the bridges here at ORI have just received the new coat of paint. Here we are at the Phase 7 pool area. You can break out your skateboard if you want and do some skateboarding because this pool is currently empty. It just got a fresh coat of plaster put all the way across it. It's looking good. Over the summer, we have been following 4 casitas being built. This is lot 368. So you can see it's got all of the gunite on the outside, or excuse me, the stucco. And he's currently spraying the inside. Here we are at lot 358. Most of the tile work's been done on the roof. Some of the painting's been done. Tile work on the outside, I see. We won't bother them by going inside this time, but it's looking good. Here we are at 353, and I learned something today. When you're putting on stucco, there are 3 coats. There's a scratch coat, there's a brown coat, and then there's the actual stucco. The gentleman up top right now is skimming on the brown coat. You can see the edges where it's a lot rougher, and that's the scratch. Lot 396. Here we are at the front office at ORI, and as you can see, all the concrete work is now done. It's looking good. Getting all set up for next season, which is at this point just a month and a half away. We will see you next time at RV Resort Living with Pete Sutton.